Only trust generates commitment. In cities, our daily life, and among us. Hytera EMS, where commitment matters. Hytera EMS lives on the value of quality and continues technology's innovation. Continuous investment on new facilities and software optimization. Builds up cutting-edge intelligent manufacturing and management systems. Automated assembly and functional testing. Guarantees production precision and high efficiency. The tailor-made manufacturing execution system streamlines the entire production process through informatization. Wherever you are, you can keep an eye on your products in real time. Remote access is as convenient as watching your own factory. We strive for perfection, down to the last detail. Our international team endeavors to provide comprehensive customized solutions. The customized workshop creates an exclusive experience for our customers. We were born to carry on your trust. We're appreciated to grow together. Hytera EMS. Work out your dream.